Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete lines from a table in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document with a table. Now we can see here a table and line. Now we can remove this line, select the whole table, click and drag on your mouse, then go to the design menu and select borders option, then select no borders. Now we can see here we delete line from this table. Now we make sure this line are removed, go to the file menu, click the print option. Now we can see here print preview are not available the table line. We come back our page. Now we can see we remove table line from this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.